For creating efficient computers, medical devices, and other advanced technologies, researchers are turning to nanomaterials, that is, materials manipulated on the scale of atoms or molecules that exhibit unique properties. Graphene is a revolutionary nanomaterial due to its ability to easily conduct electricity, as well as its extraordinary mechanical strength and flexibility. However, a major hurdle in adopting it for everyday applications is producing graphene at a large scale while still retaining its amazing properties. Now, researchers from the University of Rochester and Delft University found a novel technique for producing graphene by mixing oxidized graphite with bacteria. Their method is a more cost efficient, time saving, and environmentally friendly way of producing graphene materials versus those produced chemically, and could lead to the creation of innovative computer technologies and medical equipment. Graphene is extracted from graphite, the material found in an ordinary pencil. At exactly 1 atom thick, graphene is the thinnest yet strongest two-dimensional material known to researchers. Scientists from the University of Manchester in the United Kingdom were awarded the 2010 Nobel Prize in Physics for their discovery of graphene. However, their method of using sticky tape to make graphene yielded only small amounts of the material. But for real applications, we need large amounts of graphene. Producing these bulk amounts is challenging and typically results in graphene that is thicker and less pure. In order to produce larger quantities of graphene materials, the research team started with a vial of graphite. They exfoliated the graphite, that is, shedding the layers of material, to produce graphene oxide, which they then mixed with the bacteria Sivanella. They let the beaker of bacteria and the precursor materials sit overnight, during which time the bacteria reduced the graphene oxide to a graphene material. Graphene oxide is easy to produce, but it is not very conductive due to all of the oxygen groups in it. The bacteria remove most of the oxygen groups, which turns it into a conductive material. While this bacterially produced graphene material is conductive, it is also thinner and more stable than graphene produced chemically. It can additionally be stored for longer periods of time, making it well suited for a variety of applications, including field effect transistor, FET biosensors, and conducting ink. FET biosensors are devices that detect biological molecules and could be used to perform, for example, real-time glucose monitoring for diabetics. The bacterially produced graphene material could also be the basis for conductive inks, which could in turn be used to make faster and more efficient computer keyboards, circuit boards, or small wires such as those used to defrost car windshields.